Hey guys, TheymianFX here and welcome to another YouTube video. So today I'll be answering questions I have actually been getting on my DM. So first of all, I'm going to just make it short. All your answers that you guys have been wanting to hear from me, I'm actually going to be making it short. So as you all know, my name is Damian Emmanuel, aka TheymianFX. I've been trading since 2023 plus this year, which making it 2.5 years in 2026. By the end of 2026, I'm actually going to be having my 3 years experience in Forex trading. So these are questions I'm going to be answering to beginner Forex traders and also pro Forex traders. And the first question is, who was I before Forex? I'm just a normal guy who works 9 to 5. All my life I've been working in factory work, like working in so many places. It was very tough, and I thought the money I was actually getting was huge. I thought the benefits, the overtime money, the feeding money, every single thing, I thought it was huge. I thought I have actually already arrived. So that time there was no plan on buying cars, there was no plan on building houses, buying landed properties. All there is was survival, just to get money, eat, buy clothes. So I don't have future plans on any of these things. So I've been working 9 to 5 since 2015. 2015 I started working at a cafe, a computer cafe, till 2025 I stopped working 9 to 5. Can you see how many years? Which is 10 years since I've been working in 9 to 5. I've actually not worked in a corporate organization before. So 2025 was the day I stopped working in 9 to 5. So I'm just a regular Damian. I'm also a student of National Open University. So currently I'm in my final years. So the next question, why do I start trading? So obviously I start trading because of the financial freedom and because of the flexibility of making money. I wasn't actually trading because I want to buy expensive cars, build houses, travel all around. It's part of it, but why do I start trading? It's because of flexibility and because of financial freedom. Did I think Forex was easy? Obviously, nothing is easy, and I never think Forex is actually easy, because the first time I started seeing my friend trading Forex, I see a whole lot of graph, and to me it was very complicated. Just seeing it alone, it was complicated. I never thought Forex was easy. So how was my first trade? My first trade was based on, how should I say this, just scalping. I only know buy and sell, which has been preached by popular mentors. When you come into Forex, you just press buy, you just press sell. I got my first Preferred account, which was Consummate, and I blew the account under 1 week. I blew the account because of lack of knowledge. I actually don't know anything, so I just press buy, I just press sell. There's what we call beginner's luck. Any dummy can make money in the market. I don't have that beginner's luck, despite I was a beginner. My first trade was horrible. What was my biggest struggle? So my biggest struggle in Forex trading was the educational part. So I paid a mentor to actually teach me Forex trading, and all what the mentor did was just receive my payment and just throw me in a group of thousands of people, and so many messages coming in. I actually don't know what to focus on. I was having struggle on learning in that particular group. Too many messages, too many markup, too many charts. I actually don't know my left to my right. So when I talked to this mentor, he was just like, focus on where you watch the videos, and the videos I'm also not understanding. The job of a mentor is to actually hold the student by the hand and actually teach him or her, so he or she can actually understand. So my biggest struggle was getting the knowledge. What mindset helped me grow? So the mindset of treating Forex as a business shaped my psychology and has now put me in a better place. Like, I need to see Forex as a business, and I need to see Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And once you can be patient while trading, your mindset is automatically going to be shaped, and you're actually going to be in a better place. What strategy worked for me? I actually don't follow different strategy, chasing this particular strategy, chasing this person, because every popular Forex trader asks the ones we know, the popular ones, All of them are not trading the same strategy. All of them focus on one particular strategy, and all of them are making money from it. You don't see this popular big forex trader jumping from one strategy to the other. Everybody are trading different strategy, and they are only focusing on one particular strategy. So you as a beginner, I don't see why you will jump from this mentorship to this mentorship to this mentorship, this signal group to this signal group to this signal group, just to learn all the strategy. It is good to learn everything, but just focus on one. So the one I just focus on is just structure and liquidity. I don't do too much in the market. How long before I improve? It took me 2 years plus to start getting to where I am today. It took me 2 years plus continuous learning and actually getting the right person to put you through. Where am I now in Forex? I'm actually in a better place with good mindset, good psychology, perfect risk management, not revenge trading, not trading anyhow. Am I profitable yet? Yes, I can say I'm profitable, but not those $1 million you see online. At least I'm comfortable and I'm profitable to myself. So what are my current goals? So my current goals is to get $500,000 in funding or $1 million in funding. So I'm planning on getting like a $500,000 profit account or $1 million profit account to help me scale up faster. Because if I can be doing 2% each on each account by not putting all the pressure on one account, at least it's going to like put me in a better position. Where do I see myself in 5 years? I see myself impacting on other beginners. I see myself like growing to a point that I can actually share my experience, give them the right knowledge, and put them in a better position psychologically. That is where I see myself like creating a very big business that's actually going to solve problems. What advice for beginners do I have? So for beginners who want to start Forex trading, you need a skill. First of all, apart from Forex, you need a skill. You need a marketable skill. You need a skill that you can advertise to someone and someone is actually going to buy it from you. Either you're a tailor, either you're a plumber, either you're a fashion designer, either you're a software developer, either you're a social media manager, either you're a content creator, either you have all these things you can market to people. Because once you meet a popular forex trader, for example, and you want to connect with him, let's say for example you meet Happy Forex and you say, hey Happy, I'm a forex trader, I'll just be like, okay, and so what? I'm also a forex trader too. But once you meet Happy and you said, okay, I am a website developer, I am a social media manager, at least he's going to be getting interested because these are the things he does not know and he's actually going to pay for your service. Okay, I am a videographer, I'm a cinematographer, I'm a photographer. These are the things he doesn't know. These are not his field. But once you tell him that you're a forex trader, automatically he's also a forex trader and he's doing better than you. So get a skill as a beginner forex trader and monetize the skill. And if you want to do forex, please and please do not make forex a get rich quick scheme. You need discipline, you need patience, and you need consistency while trading. And the last question, what truth about forex is ignored? You don't come to forex and start packing money. You see the way people are preaching forex, you can make $1,000, you can make $1 million. You don't come to forex to start packing money. Anybody that tell you that you can come to forex and start making $1 million in 2 weeks in a day, start changing your mindset for you to quit your 9 to 5. Run away from that person. The reality of forex is hard. Forex is very, very hard, even with your knowledge, with paying for mentorship and everything, because your mentor is not actually going to make you profitable. It is you yourself that is going to make yourself profitable. Your mentor is just out there to give you the knowledge and to simplify things for you. But when it comes to profitability, you are in charge of that, not your mentor. So these are the questions I've answered for you today. If I miss out any question, you can also type it in the comment section below. And don't forget to also get my SMC blueprint for a beginner forex trader. The link is in the description below. Get the book, it's actually going to help you. I've put all my story, I've put every single thing, my blood and sweat, all the strategy and everything you need to focus on that book. Click the link, the first link in the description below to get the book for yourself. It's actually going to help you. This book has a limit of 20 people. After 20 people get this book is actually going to skyrocket. The price is going to increase. And don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Peace.